Hello everybody and welcome back to another craft room organization video. Today I'm going to be focusing on what I have on my craft carousel. I purchased it a couple months back from scrapbook.com and I will have it linked down below. And I will also have the video of me putting it together and my full review and first impressions in the upper right hand corner, so you guys can check that video out if you haven't seen it. This is definitely by far my favorite craft room organization product that I have in my room. You can see underneath my arm, I actually have another carousel that holds a lot of my tools and my paintbrushes and just different things that I don't pull for too often, but I like to have out. I normally don't like things out on my desk. I like my desk pretty plain and free of any clutter. That's when it is clean. It normally isn't. It's probably mostly full of clutter from creating. But I have the other carousel on the other side of my desk. And that is because I don't like things cluttering up my work surface. This carousel, the scrapbook.com one, is normally in front of my work surface, or on my work surface, I should say. So that should tell you how much I love it because it sits right in front of me and it holds all of my go-to products, whether I am creating a card or a mixed media project. I filled it with everything that I use most often, whether it's blending tools, scissors, spatulas, embossing powders. As you could see, there is tons of different things in here, and I'm going to go over just a little bit of what is in it. So I have Nuvo drops, I have Nuvo glaze, embossing powders, purple tape, string, my mini mister, more embossing powders, my blending tools from scrapbook.com. I also have my little stamp blocks, more embossing powders, tool picks, scissors, pens. And then down here I have some string that I use a lot in mixed media projects, and then I hang my distress sprayer on there as well. And I also have my Pink and Main blending tool there, and these are little small stamps that I use often in mixed media projects. I have my most used inks right there, and then down on the bottom I have my sprays that I use for white splatters, and also a matte wax that I use to whitewash things, some sequins when I use sequins. I don't use sequins that often, but those are the ones that I go to most often. Some blending solution, also my anti-static tool, and what else do I got on here? I have my paper paste at the very bottom there, and then I have my adhesives, and art stones, gessos, art pebbles, you name it, I have it on here. If I use it often, it's on this carousel. And like I was saying before, this carousel normally sits where I work and where I film my videos. I moved it to the other side so that I can film this video. There is a large window in front of my desk where I normally film, and it would not have been ideal to film this video over there. But as you could see, it holds a lot of stuff. I'm actually thinking of getting a second one, and you could see here I'm lifting it up. It is super heavy duty, sturdy, and it's super easy to put together. I will have a link in the upper right hand corner so you guys can check out the video of my full review. I don't remember if I said that already, and how I put it together, but the little rivets hold together with these bands. And here is another look. Not the greatest angle there. It's a little off to the side, but I think you guys get the idea. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below letting me know if you have this craft carousel or what your favorite crafting organization product is in your room. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and here's a couple more videos you might enjoy. I really appreciate you guys watching these and showing your support, and I want to thank you guys again for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.